evening from Narrowboat Two Little Ducks. A very, very wet evening. I set off from the dry dock this morning about 11 o'clock-ish, maybe a bit later, and it was pouring down. And you can't do fair weather boating all the time, you've got to get on. So I left the mooring, left there, only to find that there was an air block in the cooling system. So the overheating warning light and alarm came on. Pulled in, topped it up, carried on. Went round the corner where a boat was moored, and the wind was so strong there, it literally blew me across the canal and literally into the side of his boat. Thankfully he had fenders down, I had fenders down, and no damage was done. But it was so strong that it pinned me into the side of the canal against some alcove railings. But that's the fun of it, you know. Got to learn about these things. Then I carried on. Again the alarm went off for the overheating system, but we fixed that now. Hopefully we're at the CRT services. Had a lovely hot shower, went and got a bag of coal. Fire is absolutely roaring. Drying my shoes out, my coat out, my trousers out, absolutely drenched, but it was all good fun really. So I'm going to see what the weather is like tomorrow, and we may just stay here, see the weather out. I think it's going to be bad for the next 24 hours, and then I'll carry back on. But yeah, a few more little jobs cropped up. For some reason I've got no hot water, but I've got cold, so we need to find out what's going on there. But you know, if it was all singing, all dancing, and there was never a problem, it wouldn't be any fun, would it? So, time for a cup of tea, chill out, and let's see what tomorrow brings.